Welcome everyone. Your last chapter is surfing internet. So first we will understand what is internet. The name internet itself suggests its meaning. It stands for International Network of Computers. A network is an interconnection between two or more computers. The internet is a network of networks that consist of millions of computers spread across the world. So network is an interconnection between two or more devices. Suppose as your printer is connected with your computer, so that also makes a network. Any two computing devices connected to share data is called network. In similar way, when a computers connected on a network across the world to share their information is called internet. So we will learn how the internet come in India. So history of internet is in 1969 US Defense Department designed a network of four computers to exchange and share data. This network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This is the first network developed by US Defense Department to share the information so others cannot see the information. Like in earlier days, information is being shared through through mails by written post, but nowadays information is being shared through internet. So it is first developed by US Defense Department. Later many universities were allowed this network and share the information. Later others universities and public start sharing the information over the internet. In India, internet services started on 15th August 1995 through government-owned company VSNL. So in India, internet is started from 1995, 15th August. Nowadays, private internet service also provide internet like Reliance, Airtel, and many other services are there. Idea, Vodafone, they all provide internet services. Popular services on the internet. There are various services on in the internet which makes your life better. There are many facilities which are available on internet. One is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, it consists of public website connected to the internet worldwide. The websites are identified by the short unique global identifier called URLs, Uniform Resource Locator. www contains millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages. So any website which is connected over the internet to share resources comes under www, and www is World Wide Web. So any website which we can see on internet is is on World Wide Web. So we can say it is a group of websites, and these websites are identified by URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Example of URL is like www.google.com. So this google.com is a URL for the website of Google. www contains millions of documents or bunch of pages called web pages. Web pages www contains millions of documents means the millions of web pages makes website. When one or more than one web page combined becomes a website, and these websites are come under www. So www contain all the websites. E-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, that is commercial activities over the internet. Commercial activities means buying and selling of goods and services over the internet, that comes under e-commerce. Here there are various websites like Flipkart, Mintra, from which you can buy the product, and there are some websites like OLX in which you can also sell your old items. So second-hand item also you can also sold them, and you can buy the second-hand items from the some of the websites, and you can buy the new item also like from Mintra or Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Chatting. A chat is an online conversation over the internet in which we can instantly send text-based messages back and forth to one another. There are various type of chats available on the internet. So a chat is an online conversation in which over the internet we can send the text to one person and we can get the reply for that on a same time. So without paying or giving an extra amount of money, we can do the chatting by using some of the application like Messenger, Talk, Skype, and WhatsApp. So all these are chatting website on which a person can do the text messages. Some of the websites also provide you, some of the application also provide to send images and voice notes also, and some websites provide video conferencing. So next topic is video conferencing. Video conferencing, it involves the use of video cameras connected to two or more computers. Images and sound are then sent through the internet, where users not only hear each other but can also have a face-to-face conversation. Like WhatsApp, Skype, many other websites also provides you the video conferencing facility in which we can open our video camera and we can each other, and we can see each other and we can send the messages through the chat box, we can send the images, and we can hear the sounds from our computers or mobiles. Here face-to-face conversation takes place. This technology mainly used for the virtual meeting. Virtual meeting means to see each other among the group of people. Many uses it for the business use. The most used website is Skype. Most of them for the business video conferencing uses Skype. Social networking side. Social networking is the grouping of individual into specific group. For example, share ideas, activity, events, internet photos, message and videos. The social networking websites functions like an online community of internet users. So social networking is like a grouping of people in which a person can share his or her ideas, his activities, events, photos, messages and videos and many more things. So example is Facebook, where an individual make its own profile and then share his views, and any another person can also like that or comment it upon it, and we can give the reply to that. A person can tell his hobbies or many other things. So social networking website function like an online community of internet user. So it's like a community where individuals meet each other and share their thoughts. Earlier days, Orkut is used by the people to share their thoughts. Nowadays, Facebook is most popular social networking websites. E-banking. E-banking stands for electronic banking, is the way of performing bank transaction using internet. Now we can send our money or we can receive our money through using electronic banking. This is the By using electronic banking, we can make our FD, we can send our money, and we can do all the other banking facilities by using e-banking services, in which a person have to open his account in a bank, and after that he uses an username and password for the save transaction. Searching information. Internet is a vast resource of information. You can search and find information about website, images, news, videos, etc. On internet, a person can search the information. Whenever we search, there are some over the internet, there are some searching websites like Google, Yahoo, on which we search our information. Whatever we want to search, we write on that, and all the website which contain that particular information comes on screen. So you can search for the image, videos, and etc. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on internet to compose, store, send, and receive messages to any part of the world. So email is an electronic mail in which we can send our messages over the internet. The emails in email, there are various part of email. One is composing email. To write down an email is called a composing in email. Whenever you want to write, you have to click on compose button, then a box will appear on which you will write your mail. So on that compose email, there will be a option on to which you have to send your email to, then you will write it in on to, and there will be a send button also. By clicking on the send button, you can send your email, and there is also a facility in which you can save your email, that is called draft. Whenever you make a email and you don't, when you compose an email and you don't want to send at that particular time, you can leave that email in a draft, and after whenever you want to message that message that email to someone, you can retrieve it from the draft. The popular sites which provide the facility to send or receive emails are Gmail, Yahoo, and Reddit. These are some popular email service providers. After that, you have to, when you compose an email, when you send an email, the most important part is to sign out or log out. You have to log out your ID so other cannot use your email. Thank you.